Plano da po kano magsampang kaso ding restaurant workers king meg pakilalang negosyante meg Bully Karela. Agpangpuyan king binyan ng update ning Security Service Group ning Clark Development Corporation king CLTV 36 News nganing Biyernes January 12. At atanda ng meg viral ya ing metong a video king social media nung nukarin mayakit yang mangulisak at managkas kareng talapagobra na ning metong a restaurant king Clark Freeport kay batdeng binawal magsigarilyo. Kwento da rin talang pagobra king CLTV 36 News, mitakutan la king milyaring insidente at antila mo kanong menga damusak pangatawo. Kwento na ning Vice President for Security Services Group na ning Clark Development Corporation ay retired Police Major General Lina Sarmiento, mikapulong kano pila tandaring adwang partido kambering karelang abogado at mikasundula reni ay settling issue. Inya mo inyang Martes, January 9, pero lalang sulad ding biktima king Public Safety Division o PSD na ning CDC na alapang meging penal king kasunduan. At ining Webes, January 11, pasibayo lang inabiswan ning king PSD at taglus na lang magdemanda ring biktima.
The latest was yesterday, the victims informed PSD that they were fact accused already because they have consulted their lawyer. So that's the latest.
Samantala, pepasyag na naman po ni Clark Development Corporation na alayang lagyu king record da ring locators ing suspect king bullying incident. Makanyan mo naman na ala na kanong o alina po kanu konsensyan ning CDC ing Emma Santing at dapat.
Based on CD records po, whether it's a direct lessee or sub-lessee, wala po kaming record under the name of said person in the name of Renato Onanjola. So, directly, hindi po siya registered locator dito sa loob ng Clark. However, insofar as him be representing himself to be a locator to other locators, hindi po sanctioned yan ng city.